Hello everybody. Today is a beautiful spring day in Western New York, and I can't believe with weather like this our housing market is so affordable. We're going to bring the 90 into the shop and out of the snow, pull off the rear bumper and test fit the Proud Rhino rear ladder to confirm that it works on 90s. So hop in the shop with us and get out of this weather and let's see if this thing fits. Well, there you have it. Proud Rhino ladder is installed. Takes about 2 hours to do the job. If you're at home laying on the ground, I'd add another hour and call it 3. Takes more time to get the bumper off and back on than anything else. But when it's done, it looks fantastic. I'm gonna head home and I'll see you guys in the next one.